Acharya Telugu movie summary in English. Dharmasthali and the adjoining hamlet of Padghattam are temple towns which are surrounded by the Siddhavanam forest. The two towns are interlinked by their values and faith to the goddess Gattamma. Dharmasthali operates under the tyrannical rule of Basva, the local municipal chairman. He intends to give the lands of Dharmasthali and Padghattam to Rathod and his brother Vikram for mining purposes. The people of Padghattam, who are known for their expertise in Ayurvedic medicine, start visiting Dharmasthali less frequently due to Basva's cruel regime. Acharya, a Naxal, arrives in Dharmasthali in the guise of a carpenter. He starts retaliating for the atrocities committed by Basva to the villagers. It is revealed that Acharya came to Dharmasthali to fulfill his best friend Siddha's promise. He reveals about Siddha's past and origin to Dharmasthali villagers. Siddha is a disciple of the local Gurukul and a strong advocate for Dharma. Apart from him, Basva and the other men of the village study with him in the Gurukul. Basva hatches a plan with Vikram and his friend to destroy the village's Gattamma temple under the guise of flooding from torrential rain to start mining. Siddha discovers Basva's plan and attacks the trio on the night they plan to destroy the temple. He is gravely injured in the ensuing chaos. Acharya's squad arrives to his rescue and takes him away to the nearby Siddhavanam forest and heals him. Siddha wakes up, and Acharya's comrade Bose reveals his origins. Siddha was born to comrade Shankar, Acharya's Naxal squadron leader. In a shootout with the local law enforcement, Siddha's parents are both killed. Before dying, Shankar makes a young Acharya promise to raise Siddha with awareness about their fight for Dharma. To protect him, Acharya hands the newborn Siddha over to Adanna to be brought up in Dharmasthali. However, Acharya watches and protects Siddha from afar as he grows up. Siddha learns of his origins and is willingly initiated into Acharya's Naxal squad. During a mission in rescuing the children of Adivasis who were forcibly taken away by Rathod's men for child labor in his mines, Siddha comes across a map of lands to be blasted for mining purposes, which includes the lands around Padghattam and Dharmasthali. When Siddha goes back to his village to stop the mining, he comes across Rathod's henchmen heading to kill Acharya's squad. While trying to finish them with Acharya, Siddha is shot and killed by Rathod's henchman Khila. Before dying, Acharya promises to Siddha that he will protect the village and stop the illegal mining planned by Basva and Rathod. After the reveal of Siddha's past, Acharya is arrested by the local police, while Basva and Rathod hatch a plan to wipe out the entire village during Gattamma's festival. Meanwhile, Acharya's squad manages to break him out of the police convoy while he is being taken away. He then kills each and every one of Rathod's henchmen, including Vikram and Khila, before killing both Rathod and Basva, thus avenging Siddha's death. After coming to terms with Siddha's demise, Acharya bids his farewell to Padghattam and Dharmasthali and goes back to the forest with his squad to continue Siddha's legacy of upholding Dharma and their fight.